Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to filter your Instagram tagged posts by author with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to organize your tagged content and quickly find posts from a specific person, this feature is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find all your personal content and account settings. Now look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This will open up a list of options related to your account. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, from your interactions to your posts and tags. Scroll down and tap on Tags. Here you'll see all the posts where you've been tagged by other users. This can sometimes get overwhelming if you're tagged with a lot of content, but don't worry, filtering makes it simple. At the top of the Tags page, you'll notice a new option, Filter by Author. Tap on this, and a list of users who have tagged you will appear. Now, all you have to do is choose the author whose posts you want to filter. Tap on their name, and Instagram will instantly display only the posts where you've been tagged by that specific person. This feature is perfect for finding collaborations, checking out posts from friends, or simply organizing your tagged content. It saves you time and helps you focus on the posts that matter most to you. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily filter your Instagram tagged posts by author. Try it out and enjoy a more organized Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.